Hi guys, today I'll show you another outline stitch. It's called Backstitch. It's used for details and fine outlines, for lettering, or as a base for more complex stitches. Let's get started. We come up here, around here. We go back one stitch. Then come up again one stitch forward. And back again. The trick here is not to leave any gaps in between your stitches, otherwise you'll end up with a stitch looking like the running stitch, which is a different stitch altogether. And now we just repeat these steps, one forward coming from the back and then one back until you fill in your outline. This was the Backstitch, guys. Enjoy using it in your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more tutorials, please hit the subscribe button. You can also join my Patreon school, where we will explore more embroidery techniques and access new patterns every month. I will leave the link in the description box. Until next time, happy stitching, guys. Bye!